Good afternoon, everyone. Today, in the memory of 75 years of Indian independence, to commemorate the Indian independence, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, today I want to tell you about the climatological services at MC Hyderabad. In MC Hyderabad, we deal with climatological services in the climatological section. In this section, we correct climatological section is the nodal unit of Meteorological Center, Hyderabad. It undertakes climatological services. It is also the sole custodian of meteorological data pertaining to Telangana and Andhra Pradesh states. Here, the collection of meteorological data from 17 departmental stations and 12 non-departmental stations is done here. We have types of data such as MMRs, autographic charts, tabulation sheets, aviation data, etc. is being collected and saved in this climatological section. In the climatological section, we have MMR, MMRs, autographic charts, and other etc. MMR means monthly met register, in which the observed data is being collected and entered into it. Autographic charts such as barograph, thermograph, hygrograph, and hygrograph, in which data is being automatically observed and marked simultaneously. These charts are being tabulated again and sent to us from all the departmental and non-departmental stations. These data, we preserve it and scrutinize it and also enter it into the data into the computers for the purpose of archival. Such charts from all the stations, we scrutinize them whether it is correctly observed and correctly tabulated, and then it is being entered into the data entry through computers, and it is being saved in the form of floppies. Previously, it was done in the floppies. Now we save it in the drive, and it is also being sent to National Data Center, Pune, for collection and storage. National Data Center is one in which the data from all over India is being collected, stored, and used when necessary. The archival and Telangana is being done here in the climatological section at MC Hyderabad. At MC Hyderabad, we hardcore for all AP and Telangana stations. AP and Telangana stations, but all over India, all the data is being kept in NDC Pune. We also, in the climatological section, we also supply data to various users. Some users, insurance purpose, main users are insurance users. Those who have insurance for the damaged the data, damaged services for farmers and others, they use this our data, radar data and weather reports for the purpose of insurance. Insurance people mainly depend on us for the accuracy of data. Our data is accurate, so only our data is being used for the insurance purpose. Depending on our data, they see whether the amount should be provided to the users, whether they are or not. That is being decided. So many insurance people take data from us, and commercial people such as rainfall data, other data is also being used. Research purpose, main purpose, research purpose is also our data is also used. In the research purpose, for the purpose of research of rainfall, temperature, everything is being taken from our data is being taken and done research. We have so many autographic sets. These are automatically uh, tabulated. This data is being automatically done, and we tabulate this data. It is in the coded form: thermograph, hydrograph, barograph, and hygrograph, and also MMR sheets. These are the forms of data. In MMR sheet, the data is being observed every 3 hourly and being entered into these MMR sheets. In this data is again used for the purpose of using archival and also storage, and also for which is also given for the public. Data requisition process is done in climatological section. Data can be requested through our imdhyderabad.gov.in through this website. In this website, we have a data request form. From that data request form, whether it is for radar or surface data, depending on that request form can be downloaded and given and actually filled it and sent through mail to us. Once we receive the mail, reply will be given, and charges intimation reply will be given within a couple of days. Once they receive the charges intimation, they have to pay the fees through bharatkosh.gov.in. Once they have paid the fees, that can be sent, the receipt can be sent to our mail. When we receive the receipt of the payment, we will send you the data through mail or hard copy. As per your requirement, the data will be sent. We also have a data supply portal at Pune, which is purely online. This portal deals with all types of data, and throughout India, it is available. So anybody can make use of that also. That link also. And one more, we have types of meteorological data. For example, we have rainfall data. Rainfall data is available in the form of hourly, daily, monthly, annual, subdivisional, heavy spells in 24 hours. Heavy spells means rainfall occurred in 15 minutes. That will be heavy rainfall analysis is being done uh, for all the stations, and it is being tabulated and kept separately. It is also entered and kept so that users can use it. And we have also temperature data. Temperature data is also available in hourly, daily, monthly, maximum and minimum temperature, and extreme values is observed, is also available. Relative humidity. Relative humidity is also available hourly, daily, monthly for all the stations in AP and Telangana. Only our observatories data is available. And surface wind speed, direction, bright sunshine hours, mean station level, mean sea level, pressure is also available. Pressure is also available hourly, daily, and monthly. We also have amount and types of clouds, which is observed every 3 hourly. It is observed. We have different types of cloud, which is being observed and written in the MMR sheet. That is also available for users. We have various weather phenomena such as visibility, occurrence of thunderstorm, etc. Occurrence of thunderstorm is mainly used by many people whenever a damage is occurred by the people. In case of farmers or poultry farms, and due to heavy wind speed, if there is any damage occurred, that is also being given by us through our radar data. We also give weather reports and climatological normals, etc. data for the users. We have climatological normals for the period 1981 to 2010 is available for all the departmental stations. Weather reports on specific weather phenomenon such as heavy rainfall, thunderstorm, etc. is also available with us. Whenever there is a occurrence of heavy rainfall or a flood type situation, our data can be used for the purpose of verification, and the damaged insurance can be paid to them. And we also have windrows diagrams for the research purposes for all departmental stations. We have windrows diagrams for the period of 1971 to 2000. That is available with us for all the departmental stations. And we have some other special meteorological data which is available only at Pune. Air pollution data such as turbidity, precipitation, chemistry of selected global atmospheric watch stations in India, mixing height levels for selected stations, radiation data, global, total, and diffuse. Upper air data is also available, vertical profile of the atmosphere for selected stations, ozone data for some stations, and acrometeorological data such as soil temperature, evapotranspiration for selected stations is available at Pune. Monsoon experiment data is also available at Pune. And we have monthly mean extreme data which is being tabulated and sent to Pune every month. All extreme values for pressure, maximum, minimum, and temperature and rainfall will be sent to Pune so that for the preparation of climatological normals. And we have our daily weather extremes for the last 10 years is being uploaded in our website, which can be seen by all the users. When once if we go to the imdhyderabad.gov.in, you can see these extreme values for all the stations for the last 10 years, where it has been occurred, for which year it has been occurred, and for which date it is been occurred. It is been shown in the website. Every month that website is being uploaded into that website. This data is being uploaded. We also upload this. Actually, we have a link for the data request form, which is being shown in the imdhyderabad.gov.in. In the imdhyderabad.gov.in, you can go to this data request form, select that form for whether it is for surface or observational data, or whether it is for radar data. Depending on that, you can select the data request form, fill it, and send. This is the data request form which can be filled and sent to the mail. The mail ID is given in the bottom of the request form. This can be sent to us and you will be getting the reply within a couple of days. And we also have this extreme event for last 10 years in Telangana, which is uploaded into the website every month. Every month starting, it will be uploaded in the website. You can see into it so that you can use it for your use. We have district wise and subdivision wise monthly normals of Telangana, which is also uploaded in the website every month. We have our ever recorded extreme values in Telangana updated until December of the last previous year, which is shown in the website imdhyderabad.gov.in. This can also be seen in our website. And this mode of how the payment should be made in the bharatpost.gov.in, that is also given in our website. So instructions is being given, you can follow this instructions so that you can pay it easily. If any doubt, you can if you follow these instructions, you will be able to pay it easily. And also you can call us for any clarification. This is how our climatological services will be available in Hyderabad for the users. So I think you have understood about the climatological services at MC Hyderabad. I thank our madam, Nagaratna madam, for giving me an opportunity to deliver this speech. And also I thank Shravani madam for uh, assigning all these technical works. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone.